Be ready. Start. By way of the present petition, the petitioner challenges the order issued by the Assistant Commissioner Policy, Department of Food Supplies and Consumer Affairs, inter alia, prescribing the penalty and later suspension stroke cancellation of the FPS licenses for default of the FPS licensee in making timely payment of cost of SFAs allocated for further distribution to the beneficiaries, placing reliance on Clause 4 of the Delhi Specified Articles Regulation of Distribution Control Order 1981. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the same provides a discretion to the Administrator stroke Deputy Commissioner of Food Supply to order suspension stroke termination of the license of the FPS licensee in case of their default. He submits that such discretion has been taken away from the Deputy Commissioner by way of the impugned order. Further, placing reliance on Clause 24 of the Food Supply Order, he submits that the power to issue directions can be exercised by the Commissioner only by way of a notification in the Official Gazette and only for purpose of giving effect to the provisions of this order. However, in the present case, the impugned order is not in form of a Gazette notification, and in any case, instead of giving effect to the provisions of the Food Supply Order, is in derogation thereof. The petitioner further challenges the suspension cum show cause notice issued by the Assistant Commissioner, North, Department of Food Supplies, whereby the license of the petitioner has been suspended with immediate effect, while directing him to show cause as to why the license stroke authorization be not cancelled and the entire security amount forfeited. The Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that a reading of the impugned suspension cum show cause notice shall clearly show that the Assistant Commissioner, North, was of the view that because of the order there is no discretion left in him but to order suspension of the licensee of the petitioner. He submits that this would be clearly contrary to Clause 4 of the Food Supply Order. On the other hand, the Learned Counsel for the respondents submits that the result of the violation of any direction issued under the Food Supply Order is the suspension of the license and later termination thereof. He submits that the impugned order is itself a direction and therefore violation thereof has rightly been visited with an order of suspension of the license of the petitioner. He further submits that in terms of Clause 19(10) of the Food Supply Order, the Commissioner is entitled to issue such orders. He further submits that the petitioner has replied to the show cause notice issued to him and therefore the petitioner must be relegated back to his departmental remedies. He further submits that the impugned order does not take away the discretion which has been vested in the administrator stroke deputy commissioner in terms of clause 4 of the Food Supply Order. To put it more clearly, he submits that even in case of a third admitted default, on considering the explanation given by the FPS licensee, the administrator stroke commissioner can, instead of taking action of suspension stroke cancellation of license, take any other action against the license holder. He further submits that the impugned order in fact considers the explanation given by the petitioner and thereafter exercising discretion vested in the deputy commissioner under clause 4 of the Food Supply Order. The order of suspension has been passed. I have considered the submissions made by the learned counsels for the parties. In light of the submissions made by the learned counsel for the respondents that the impugned order does not in any manner take away the discretion vested in the administrator stroke commissioner to order suspension stroke revocation of a license in case of a third default by the licensee. The challenge to the impugned order, in my opinion, no longer survives. To put it more clearly, and as has been explained by the learned counsel for the respondents, even in case of a third default of a license holder, the administrator stroke commissioner of food supply shall consider the explanation given by the licensee, and applying the test of proportionality shall further form an opinion on the punishment to be imposed on a licensee who has defaulted in complying with the provisions of the food supply order or directions issued thereunder. As far as the impugned order, no doubt the Assistant Commissioner in the impugned order has considered the explanation given by the petitioner and thereafter observed and under. And whereas the above scenario explicitly indicate that the FPS holder is not able to run the shop for the time being in a business line manner, which is against the terms and conditions of the authorization and is also detrimental to the public distribution system. Thus, the authorization holder has violated the terms and conditions of its authorization, which are mandatory for continuation of authorization, and thus attracts stern action under the provisions of Delhi Specified Article Regulation of Distribution Order 1981 and instructions issued thereunder. At the same time, in the subsequent paragraph, the Assistant Commissioner clearly indicates that he, in fact, has read the order as leaving him with no option stroke discretion but to suspend the license of the petitioner. Thank you.